Chapter 4. System Unit Components. Objective Overview. Differentiate among versions status for System Unit 1 desktop computers, netbook computers, and mobile devices. Identify chip, adapter cards, and other components of a motherboard. Describe the control unit and arithmetic logic unit components of a processor, and explain the 4 steps in a machine cycle. Differentiate among the first types of memory. Describe the purpose and types of expansion stalls and adapter cards, and differentiate among stalls for efficient removable flash memory device. Differentiate between a port and a connect, and explain the difference among a USB port, firmware for Bluetooth for HC-SI port, SATA port, ERDA port, serial port, and MIDI port. The system is unit, a case that contains electronic components of the computer used to process data. The inside for the system unit on a desktop personal computer includes: the motherboard is the main circuit board of the system unit, a computer chip connection integrated circuit. Processor. The processor, also called the central processing unit (CPU), interprets and carries out the basic instruction that operate a computer. Contain a control unit and a arithmetic logic unit (ALU), multi-core processor, dual-core processor, quad-core processor. Ini adalah gambar dari prosesor yang terdiri dari processor control, arithmetic logic unit. The control unit is the component of the processor that directs and coordinates most of the operation in the computer. The arithmetic logic unit (ALU) performs arithmetic comparison, and other operations. For every instruction, a processor repeats a set of 4 basic operations which comprise a machine cycle. Most current personal computer software p-pairing processor being fetching a sound instruction before it completes the machine cycle for the first instruction. The processor contains registers that temporarily hold data and instructions. The system clock controls the timing of all computer operations. The pace of the system clock is called the clock speed and is measured in gigahertz. Processors. The leading manufacturers of personal computer processor chips are Intel and AMD. Determine how you plan to use a new computer before selecting a processor. Processor. A processor chip generates heat that causes the chip to burn up. Requires additional cooling. Heat-seek liquid cooling technology. Processor. The parallel processing uses multiple processor simulator usually to access a single prompt or state. Data representation. Terdiri dari most computer are digital. The binary system uses the unique digital bit and bytes. Ini adalah gambar dari data representation. Terdiri dari binary digit, electronic chart, electronic state, Ada juga data representation system. Ini adalah terdiri dari ASCII simbol, ASCII American Standard Code for Interaction Interchange is the most widely used coding scheme to represent data. Terdiri dari 4 tahap. Memory. Memory consists of electronic components that store instruction waiting to be accessed by the processor, data needed by those instructions, and the result of processing the data. Store 3 basic concentration of items. Each location is memory has an address. Memory size is measured in kilobyte, KB or K, megabyte, MB, gigabyte, GB, or terabit, TB. The system unit contains the two types of memory: volatile memory, no volatile memory. Inilah gambar dari beberapa tahap dari memori. Three basic types of RAM chip exist: dynamic RAM, static RAM, magnetoresistive RAM. Memory. RAM chip usually reside on a memory module and are inserted into memory slots. Memory. The amount of RAM necessary in a computer often depends on the type of software you plan to use. Memory checks speed the process of the computer because it stores frequently used instructions and data. Read-only memory, ROM, primary AAP ROM can be erased. Flash memory can be erased electronically and rewritten. GMOS. Access time is the amount of time it takes the processor to read from memory. Expansion slot and adapter card. An expansion slot is a socket on the motherboard that can hold an adapter card. An adapter card enhances function of a component of the system unit and or provides connection to private errors. With plug and play, the computer automatically can configure adapter card and other peripherals as you install them. Removable flash memory includes terdiri dari memory card, USB flash drives, and PC card atau express card modules. Port and connector. A port independent with a peripheral architecture to communicate with a system unit. A connector joins a cable to a port. Inilah gambar dari port and connection, antara koneksi dengan kabel dan juga dengan port and connection. Port and connection on a netbook computer. The ports are on the back port and or seat side. Gambar dari port and connection. USB port can connection up to. Other types of port include USB port, Bluetooth port, HDMI port, eSATA port, ERDA port, serial port, MIDI port. Port and connection, a Bluetooth, a smartphone. Port and connection, a portless replicator is an external device that provides connection to peripherals built into the device. Docking station is an external device that attaches to a mobile computer or device. Buses. A bus allows the various devices both inside and attached to the system unit to communicate with each other. Three data bus dan address bus. What side is the number of bits the processor can interpret and execute at a given time. Bus is the expansion slot connect to expansion buses. Common types of expansion buses include PGI bus, PGI Express bus, accelerated graphic port, USB and Firewire wave bus, PC card bus. By. A by is an opening inside the system unit in which you can install additional equipment. A drive-by typically holds these drivers. Power supply. The power supply converts the wall of the AC power into DC power. Some external peripherals have an AC adapter which is an external power supply. Putting it all together. Home small office atau home office mobile power enterprise. Keeping your computer or mobile device clean. Clean your computer or mobile device once or twice a year. Turn off and unplug your computer or mobile device before cleaning it. Use composite eye to blow away dust. Use an anti-static wipe to clean the exterior of the case and a cleaning solution and soft cloth to clean the screen. The laptop with a time machine. Summary. Components of the system unit. How memory stores data, introduction and information. Sequence of operation that occur when a computer extends on introduction. Sekian dari chapter 4, dilanjutkan dengan chapter 5.